Hello everyone, welcome to the official tutorial of Hybrid Leapfrog Mode. This mode is designed for transit station scanning in large sense. It allows scan data to be acquired from different areas and orientations without manually aligning each project afterward. At each station, scan the global markers first and then scan the point cloud data. After the current station is complete, move the tracker to the next position and repeat the same workflow. By recognizing at least 4 common markers between adjacent stations, the software automatically aligns the scan data during acquisition. After connecting the system, create a new scanning project and select Track mode. Set the required resolution and select the appropriate scanning mode and brightness according to the object and scanning environment. Under Hybrid Leapfrog, click Open to enter the workflow. The Hybrid Leapfrog panel in the upper left corner displays the current station number and the current scanning step. Before scanning, place the tracker in a suitable position. Do not move the tracker until both the marker scan and the point cloud scan at the current station are complete. Before scanning, you can open the More Settings menu and enable tracking volume. Once enabled, the tracker's field of view and the scanner's real-time position are displayed in the 3D scene. This helps the operator determine whether the scanner is still within the effective tracking range. It is also recommended to enable the data quality indicator. Yellow areas require additional scanning, while blue areas indicate that sufficient scan data has been acquired. Before starting, make sure both the tracker and the scanner are ready. At Station 1, begin by scanning the global markers. Hybrid Leapfrog Mode supports markers with diameters of 6 and 12 millimeters. During the scanning process, the scanner and the markers must be within the tracking range of the tracker. You can turn on the tracking volume function to check. Make sure you scan at least 4 markers that can also be captured from Station 2. These markers will be used as common markers to align the 2 stations. Make sure the markers are clearly recognized and well distributed around the scanning area. Do not move the tracker during marker scanning. After the required markers has been captured, pause the scan. Double-click the M button on the scanner to switch from global marker scanning to point cloud scanning. Before scanning the point cloud, set the resolution required for the current station. Hybrid Leapfrog Mode supports using a different resolution at each station. This allows you to use a smaller point distance for areas requiring more detail and a larger point distance for border scanning areas. Scan all required point cloud data at the current station. Use the data quality indicator to locate incomplete areas and rescan the needed areas shown in yellow. Once Station 1 is complete, move the tracker to the next scanning position and keep it stationary. Then long press the M button to enter Station 2. At every new station, begin by scanning the public global markers that were captured by the previous station. Once the markers are being recognized, the software automatically aligns the current station with the previous station. The message, "Marker alignment completed," appears when the alignment is successful. If no additional markers are required for a later station, you can pause the global marker scan and double-click the M button to switch to point cloud scanning. If further stations need to be added, after scanning the common markers used for alignment, you must also scan at least 4 markers to be shared between the current station and the next one, and then you can switch to point cloud scanning. For a Hybrid Leapfrog scan with 2 stations, at least 4 markers must be visible and scanned at both stations. At Station 2, scan the same 4 or more markers captured at Station 1. When marker alignment complete appears, switch to point cloud mode and complete the Station 2 scan. The alignment is completed automatically during scanning. For a Hybrid Leapfrog scan with 3 stations, we offer you with an idea here. Station 2 connects Station 1 and Station 3. First of all, complete the scan in Station 1. At Station 2's first step, scan the common markers from Station 1. Once they are recognized, the software aligns Station 2 with Station 1 and displays "Marker alignment completed." You will need to scan at least 4 extra markers that connect Station 2 and Station 3. Therefore, you require at least 8 markers, 4 shared with Station 1 and 4 shared with Station 3. After completing the point cloud scan at Station 2, move the tracker and enter Station 3. At Station 3, scan the common markers shared with Station 2. Station 3 is automatically aligned with Station 2 when marker alignment completed appears. Then you can double-click the M button and complete the point cloud scan at Station 3. For scan that requires more stations, you can follow this logic and proceed. If the Hybrid Leapfrog scan needs to be interrupted, exit Hybrid Leapfrog Mode only while the workflow is in Step 1 or Step 2. After reopening a project that was exited during Step 1 or Step 2, enter Hybrid Leapfrog Mode again and scan at least 4 common markers from the previous station. When marker alignment completed appears, you can proceed with point cloud scanning afterwards. After completing the point cloud scan at the final station, exit Hybrid Leapfrog Mode. You can see the station's projects have already been aligned through common markers during acquisition. No additional marker-based alignment is required. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can also manually align the projects in Project Alignment function. Please note, the markers used for Hybrid Leapfrog cannot be used in normal tracking mode scans. Next, you can proceed directly to the post-processing stage for generating the mesh, and then generate the final project.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.